Hey, what's up? My name's Jared. I'm from Bethel, New York, and I own a shop called Churchill Classics in Eldred. This is a 1962 Land Rover Series 2A to 109, which is the wheelbase. Yeah, it's an epic truck. Decided Wednesday that I wanted to take it up here on this trip, and had to do a few last-minute repairs, you know, a fuel tank and some wheels and tires and rear brakes, but we made it. We had a great weekend, and it doesn't get better than this.
Oh, easy peasy.
I mean, I think people love the idea. They love the aesthetic. They love the timeless look of these classic trucks. But until they drive one, you know, it's very rugged. It's essentially a glorified tractor in the way that it performs and it feels. So, yeah, we like to, you know, we build classic trucks with a little bit of a modern take. You know, we do modern driveline conversions, disc brakes, power steering. You know, kind of the creature comforts that make piloting a truck like this enjoyable and interesting, and kind of for everyone. But yeah, I love them. You know, I mean, I feel more at home in this than anything modern, and I wouldn't trade it for the world. So I've got this 1962 truck with the latest iteration of, you know, Alucab 3R10, and it's epic. It's like you're stepping out of this truck, and it's hot, it's sweaty, it smells, into something it's very comfortable and accommodating. And yeah, I mean, all throughout today I was having a blast, but I was really looking forward to getting back here and back up into that tent to get some rest. But yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, I mean, it's massive, as you can see, and it's a little bit of a mess now. I've got my mountain bike mounted with a Freedom mount, which is really just, you know, it's incredibly sturdy. But as far as build out, it'd be nice to have some cabinetry and just places for, you know, just better storage. And yeah, I don't know if I'll do all that. I kind of like it bare bones like this. I like a couple Rubbermaid containers, and I like the 3R on top. And who knows? I mean, maybe we'll see. Maybe some locking front and rear diffs, but maybe that's about it. I think the greatest thing about piloting and driving a classic vehicle on these roads up here is, you know, I feel you're a lot more connected to the trail and to the surroundings, and if you had, you know, creature comforts and ABS and air conditioning, I mean, you're out there, you smell everything, you feel everything, and yeah, it's the best.
Side-by-sides are just free game to use them as well? I mean,
I guess. I don't know what the side-by-side laws are here.